Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, anyone has any questions from what we discussed so far, previous classes?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. So, I was asking if anyone has any questions from the previous classes. And how much of the exercise you people were able to complete? NCERT exercise. Were you people able to start it at least? Anyone? No?
Sir, I completed till fourth sum, sir.
Okay, that's good. Excellent. What about other people? Didn't get a chance to start? Okay, so yeah, so you were supposed to complete up to the third question. Whoever has tried, it's okay. Not tried, very good. Try to finish it. I will not say anything. I'll give you work. If you complete it on time,
Sir,
yes.
Till 4 I did, sir. Fifth one.
so first question, third one.
First question, third one, you have doubt or you have done up to that, Pragati?
Sir, I have doubt in it.
Yeah.
Sir, I have first question, second some doubt, sir.
Okay, I'll solve that. Okay, so Kavya
Sir,
has,
even second one, third some also I am having doubt, sir.
okay, I'll solve that also.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So,
Sir, third question.
third question,
Yes, sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I completed till second sum only, sir. I'm having doubt in third one, that's why I left that one, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll solve the first question, second part, second question, third part, and the third question, and then we'll go to fourth and fifth. So far, I have got response from Ritesh. Ritesh has completed up to fourth. Kavya, you also completed up to fourth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pragati has completed the first one. Tanushri up to the second one. What about other people?
Sir, I completed till the third one, sir.
Okay, Nitya has completed up to third. That's good. Okay.
Sir, I am also
Sir,
seeing the second one, sir.
fourth one I'm doing, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Charan has completed up to third. Continuing on fourth, and Mithula, you have completed up to second one. Third one you had out, so I will solve that anyway. That's okay. Fine. So that's good. Deep, I didn't get response from you. Adi, what about you?
Doing second one, second.
Okay. So don't do that right now in the class. Try to see what I'm doing right now. You can do that after the class, or anyway, today is Friday, right? So Saturday you will not have class tomorrow. I'll give you time Saturday, Sunday to complete through whatever we have done so far. All the notes you should have complete in your note. Monday I will check. Monday evening when you join the class, that time I will check everybody's note. Chemistry, whatever we have seen so far, everything should be there in your note. Okay, and maths, the exercise, whatever we have done so far, the questions which I gave you, the assignments, those things you have to complete. If you have doubt, if you don't remember what assignments were there, discuss with people in the class. Other people will help
When
you.
we have to submit, sir?
Not to submit. I will ask you people to show me on Monday. Okay. I will ask you to show
Monday,
your notes
sir?
on Monday. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So Saturday, Sunday, you will have time, full day. Tomorrow you don't have class. Day after tomorrow also don't have class. So use that time. Make sure you revise everything. Don't just copy. Revise everything. Try to go through all that and make note of all that in your tuition note. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll have to repeat all that for Manoj. Manoj, just now you have joined. So make sure all of you join before the time, guys. 5 minutes before the class, okay? So that I don't have to keep repeating the same thing again and again, okay? Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what I was saying is, Monday I will be checking everybody's note, maths and science both notes. Whatever PDFs which I share after the class, all those notes should be there in your tuition note, maths and science. And along with that, some questions I had given in maths also as assignment. Those things should also be there, and the exercises, whatever you have solved, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, whatever you have done, okay? All those things should be there in your tuition note on Monday. You have 2 days. I don't want any excuses from anybody on Monday. I give you enough time. Use that and make sure you complete your notes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine. So now I'm going to solve this first question, second part. Let's do that very quickly. This is exercise 2.3. Question number 1, first part. Okay, so maybe I said you people that you have to follow now, but those of you who are totally sure about these 3 questions, go ahead and try the 4th and 5th one. No need to focus right now because these things are simple, at least the first 2 questions. When I'm explaining the 3rd question, maybe you can look at that and confirm whether that is correct, whatever you did, okay? So for now, those of you who have already completed 1, 2, and 3, you can give a try to question number 4 and 5. Try that now, okay? Yeah, so rest of you who need help with this question number 2 and 3, let's do that. Which one was that? Second one, right? First question, second part. Tanushri?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the question? Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. So, okay. Px by gx. So px is x square minus 3x square x to the power 4, sorry, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And what is gx?
X square plus 1 minus x.
Yes, x square plus 1 minus x. Now, what did I say? First thing, we should always make sure that it is written in the correct order. That is decreasing order of the power. So look at the px first. The power is 4, 2, 1, and 0. So this looks fine. You don't have to change anything over here, correct? 4, 2, 1, and 0. It is already in the decreasing order of power. Here, power is 2, 0, and the power is 1. Is this correct order?
No, sir.
So this is not the correct order. So we should write it like, how should I write it then?
0, 1, 2.
No, 2, 1, 0. Decreasing order of power. So x
Okay.
square will be the first one, then minus x, and then plus 1. So here the power is 2, here the power is 1, here the power is 0. So 2, 1, and 0. This is how we should write it. X square minus x plus 1. Now let's do the division. Very simple. X square minus x plus 1. Okay. What do? We just look at the first term here and the first term here and see what should I multiply to make it x to the power 4. Tanushri, can you tell me what should I multiply to x square so that it will become x to the power 4?
2, sir.
So x square into 2, will it become x to the power 4?
X square, sir.
Power, sir.
X to the power 2, right? Yeah. So x square into x square will become x to the power 4. So that x square will go over here. Let's write that. Yeah. Now x square you will multiply with all these three terms one by one. X square into x square will of course be x to the power 4. X square into x will become what?
Minus x power 3, sir.
Okay. Now I don't have any x to the power 3 term here, no? So whenever you have that kind of a situation, what you do, you leave some space for that cube term. Okay, and then you write your minus x cube over here. And then x square into 1 will become x square. So that I can write over here as plus x square. Change the sign. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. These two become 0. What should I write here? There is nothing in the upper part, only plus x cube. So it will be just x cube over here. Okay.
X cube.
What about these two? When you simplify, what will you get here? Minus 3x square and minus x square. How much that will become?
Four x
Minus 4x square, right?
4x square.
Both of them are minus, so answer would be also in minus, no? Minus 4x square.
Yes, sir.
Same sign, we do addition. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4, but the sign will be minus. Okay. Let's bring down the other two part things also. Plus 4x plus
4x plus 5.
5. Same thing we will follow again. X square. What should I multiply so that it becomes x cube?
X, sir.
We just have to multiply x. So x square into x will become x cube. Then x into x will become minus x into x will become minus x square. And then x into 1 will become plus x. Everyone is following? Tanushri, you had a doubt in this? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Following, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now I got an idea.
Okay. So if I go too fast or too slow, you people have to let me know. You have to stop. Okay. Sometimes I may go a little fast. Sometimes I'll go slow. You have to remind me whether you are able to follow or not. Okay. So what will be this term here? Minus 4x square plus x square.
Minus 3x square, sir.
So it will be minus 3x
3x
square.
square.
What about this one? It is plus 4x and minus x. How much that will become?
2x
Minus
minus
3x,
plus
sir.
2x
Plus
only, sir.
3x.
4 minus 1, no, it will be 3 only, right? 4 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 3 and it will be plus 3 because the bigger number plus 4 is there. So it will be plus 3x and 5 will be as it is, plus 5. Same thing we'll do again. We'll take the first term and we'll see what should I multiply so that it becomes minus 3x square. Tell me what should I multiply? X square into what will give me 3x square? Minus 3x square. X square is already x square over here. Only thing is missing is -3.
-3, sir.
Minus
X
3 is
square.
missing. So it will be -3 you'll have to multiply. Okay, Tanushree?
How, sir?
So it is already x square. What you want to multiply so that it will become minus 3x square.
3x.
This is what you want, right?
-3, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So x square is already there. What is missing? Only -3 is missing. So that's what you'll have to multiply -3 here. Okay. Yeah. So now 3 into x square -3 into x square will become -3x square. -3 into -x, how much it will become? How much will this be? You have to multiply -3 with -x over here.
Sir, 3x.
Yes, it will be minus will become plus, and 3 into x will become 3x. Multiply the sign first. Minus into minus, write that sign over here plus. Then take the coefficient, multiply with the coefficient. 3 into 1 will be 3 only. Then multiply the variable with the variable. There is no variable here. Only variable is x. That's why it will be x only. So if you have confusion about this multiplication, take it stepwise. What did I say? First you will multiply the sign, then the coefficient, and then the variable. Okay. Yeah. And then what should I write here? Last step. See, -3 into -x we did, plus 3x over here. Then I have to do -3 and +1, no? -3 into +1, how much that will be?
-3.
-3. Change the sign now. Minus will be plus, plus will be minus, and minus will be plus. So these two become 0. These two also become 0. What is remaining over here?
8.
Only 2 is remaining. Fine. So what is the quotient? The quotient is x square plus x minus 3. And what is the remainder? Just 2. Is it clear? Anushri, this was your question.
Sir, remainder should be 8 now, sir.
Oh, you are right. Somebody said when I wrote it will be 8. You are right. That's correct. Okay. 5 plus 3, right? Minus became plus. This is plus 3 now. So 5 plus 3 becomes plus 8. So remainder is 8. That's good. Anushri, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Second question, third part. Whose question was this?
Sir,
Pragati, yours?
so my question was first question, third part.
First question, third part. Okay.
Second question, third part was my question, sir.
Okay. Fine. So let's solve this first question, third part, Pragati's question, very quickly. So it's question 1, third part. What is the px given? X to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. And what is gx given? 2 minus x square. Again, this seems to be in correct order. This one is not. So write it as minus x square plus 2. Okay. See, again, here there are some terms missing, right? X to the power 4, and then there is no cube term, there is no square term, and directly it is going to the x term, right? So leave some gap for the cube term, square term, and then write the minus 5x. No, not that much, maybe minus 5x plus 6, like this, because you will need that. Okay, now what should I multiply here? X square to make it x to the power 4, minus x square to make it as plus x to the power 4.
Minus x square, sir.
Yes, I'll have to multiply a minus x square. So that minus minus will become plus, and x square into x square will become x to the power 4. Then I have to multiply minus x square with 2 also. So minus x square with 2 will make it as minus 2x to the power 2. Minus, okay, no need to write all that. So let's change the sign then. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. These two are 0. And this is just 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Does this make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if you have written like this, if you did not leave a gap over here, like if you just wrote it as minus 5x plus 6, you can write this 2x square term somewhere over here also, okay? Minus 2x square like this. Then change the sign. But when you do that, finally, in the last step, you start writing like this, minus, no, it will be plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now do the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing again. What should I multiply here? Tell me.
Minus 2, sir.
Yes, minus 2. So it will become 2x square, and then minus into plus will become minus, and 2 2s are 4. So this is minus 4 goes there. Basically. Change the sign again. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. These two become 0. This is minus 5x plus 10. Now you look at this. What is the degree of this divisor? What is the degree of the
2,
divisor?
sir.
Degree is 2. What is the degree of this one over here?
1.
Yes, x to the power 1, right? So this the degree is 1. What did I say? Whenever you get something balanced, which is whose degree is less than 1, that, less than the divisor's degree, that means you have to stop. No more division can be done. So this becomes your remainder. Whenever the degree becomes less than the divisor's degree. Here it is 2, here it became 1, so you can't do any other division, further division. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understood what is the quotient and remainder here? Quotient is minus x square minus 2, and remainder is minus 5x plus 10. This is done. This is done. Question number 2, third part. what did we have to do? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second one with the first one. So simple division, if the remainder is 0, then that will be a factor. If not 0, not a factor. So let's do the division. X cubed minus 3x plus 1.
X power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1.
So what should I multiply? X cubed to make it x5? I have to multiply
X
by
square.
x square, right? X square. So it will become x to the power 5 and minus 3x cubed, and this will be plus x square. Change the sign. This is 0, this is 0. What's remaining? Minus 4x cubed and plus 3x cubed becomes minus x cubed. And plus 3x plus 1. What should I multiply here? X cubed to make it minus x cubed. Minus 1, right? X cubed into minus 1 will become minus x cubed. Pragati,
Yes, sir.
following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. X cubed into minus 1 becomes minus x cubed. Minus into minus will become plus 3x. And minus 1 into plus 1 will become minus 1. Was it plus 1 here? This is also
Yes,
plus
sir.
1. Okay. Fine. So change the sign again. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. So this became 0, this became 0, but this guy became plus 2. That is 2. So since we have a remainder which is not 0, so it's not a factor. First polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. So this third question is something which we discussed in the previous class. There is a fourth degree polynomial given. 2 of its zeros are already given, and you are supposed to find the remaining 2 zeros. So whenever zeros are given, from zeros we can make factors. Okay, zeros can be converted to factors. So let me write. What is the polynomial first of all? 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed. Someone read me that if you have the book with you.
Sir, I'll read it.
Yes, go ahead.
4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what are the 2 zeros? 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. So we can say that x minus square root of 5 by 3 is one of the factor because this is a 0, so this will be a factor, right? X minus the 0, x minus alpha is a factor. Same way, x minus beta will also be a factor. That means x minus and minus of square root of 5 by 3. So this minus minus I will change and it will become plus of this. Can I write it directly? Everybody understands this? how these two are the factor. Can you people understand, or should I write it fully? Pragati, Midula, Tanushri.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, for what? You understood? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this becomes a factor. Okay. Now multiply these two factors and write it in this normal form so that we can complete the division. So this is a minus b into a plus b form, right? A square minus b square identity.
Yes, sir.
So a square minus b square can be written as a square means it will be x square minus b square means square root of 5 by 3 ka whole square. It will become 5 by 3, right? B ka square.
Yes,
Square
sir.
root of 5 by 3 square will be 5 by 3. So this is what your factor is. So these are the two factors combined. I need to find the remaining two factors by division. So let's do the division now. Divide the polynomial px by this polynomial x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, someone read that full polynomial again.
3x power 4, 6x cube plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5.
Okay. So x square to 3x to the power 4. X square is already there. 3x square is missing. So I have to multiply it by 3x square, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 3x square into x square will become 3x to the power 4. Then 3x square into this number, what will it become? See, minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. What will happen? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. It will be minus 5x square, correct? And that I will write it below the x square term. Tell me if this makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this becomes 0. Let's write the 6x cube as it is without any change. So this is 6x cube. What about this? What should I write here? Plus 5 minus 2. So it will become, everyone is with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now what should I multiply?
6x.
Yes, 6x, yani ki plus 6x. So it will be 6x into x square will become 6x cube. And again, minus 5 by 3, you will have to multiply with 6x. So 3 2s are 6, it will go, and 5 2s are minus 10x, which I will write below the 10x term. So minus 10x will come here. Okay, change the sign. 0, 0. So what's remaining? 3x square minus 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what should I multiply to x square to make it 3x square?
Sir, for this we should not change the sign, sir. Minus 3x square will not come, sir.
No, sign should not be changed for the upper one. See, this is the upper polynomial, no? Sign has to be changed
Yes,
only
sir.
for the lower ones. Here also
Okay.
we did not change the sign, no? Here it was plus 6x square, and we wrote it as plus 6x square only, x cube, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so keep in mind, we never change the sign for the upper one, only the lower one sign changes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so this becomes 3x cube, 3x square and minus 5 as it is. Now, what should I multiply? Tell me.
3, sir.
Yes, x square into 3 will become 3x square. So it will be plus 3. So x square into 3 becomes 3x square. And then minus 5 by 3 into 3, what will that be?
Minus 5.
Yes, minus 5 by 3 into 3. 3 will get cancelled. Only minus 5 will be remaining, which we'll write here as it is. Now change the sign again. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and both of them become 0. Of course, we expected the remainder to be 0 because we already knew that this is a factor. So this is just a check. You should, if you have done everything correctly, you should get the remainder 0 in this kind of question. But we were mainly interested in the quotient, which is the remaining factor. Means these two factors are hidden over here. The remaining two factors are hidden in this polynomial. If there is a fourth degree polynomial, means it will have 4 factors, correct? Fourth degree polynomial means it will have 4 factors. So 2 of them we had already figured out before here. We combine them together to write like that. And the rest of the 2 factors will come from these 2 when we do the splitting the middle term method. So 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Yeah, so three x square plus 6x plus 3. That's what we get, right? Yeah. So do the splitting the middle term. And before that, you see there is something common between all the terms, right? 3 is common in all of them. So you should take that 3 common. Write it as x square plus 2x plus 1. Can you see this, everyone?
Sir,
Yeah.
the two factors like those last two ones are 3x plus 3 and x plus 1.
X plus 3 and x plus 1. Okay. See, that's what when you have all these terms common, you should take it out. Otherwise, you will get confused. See, when you write 3x plus 3, what is it actually? Here, if you take the 3 common, it's x plus 1 only, right?
1, sir.
Yeah. And the next one was also x plus 1. So both these factors are same. Anyway, you will get it here like this. Okay, so let's just complete this. And this is just an identity, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Everyone can identify that. This identity over here. This is actually x plus 1 ka whole square. So the two factors are x plus 1 and x plus 1. Both the factors are exactly same. So for this problem, what are the remaining two factors? X plus 1 is equal to 0. 0, it means x equal to minus 1. So here also x plus 1 is 0. Here also x plus 1, same 0 will get minus 1. Like I told you, even something is 4th degree polynomial, doesn't it mean that it will always have 4 zeros? Like in this case, they told us that 5 by 3 is one of the zeros, minus 5 by 3 is the second one. And we found that the remaining 2 zeros both are exactly same, which is minus 1 and minus 1. You can write like this, minus 1 2 times. Is everyone okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our entire class went today in these questions only. So that's okay. We will complete the, whoever has completed the 4th one, that's okay, that's good. But anyway, on Monday, after checking your notebooks, if I get enough time, I will complete these 2, okay? Or I'll definitely try to complete this 4th and 5th question on Monday.
Sir, then will you just give a glimpse on 5th one? Just like telling how to do, so we'll do.
Yes, I will do that. Okay, that's good. You want to try to solve it on your own, then that's good. See, this fifth question, what's happening is they're asking you to give examples of polynomials. You already know Px, Gx, Qx, and Rx, right? From the division algorithm. You know that Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. This is the division algorithm. So you have to, on your own, figure out some polynomial in such a way that it will satisfy these conditions. So for the first question, what are they saying? The degree of your this polynomial should be equal to the degree of this Qx. Degree of Px should be equal to degree of Qx. How is that possible? Take an example of this question itself. See, this is your Px polynomial, right? Which is the dividend. It has a degree 4. And you want to have the quotient also of degree 4 itself, same degree. How can that happen? Only when your divisor is a constant. If your divisor is a constant, means it does not have any variable. Only then you might have both of them with the same degree, right? Because if it has any variable like this x square, the degree of your quotient will become less than this. If it is 4, it becomes 2. Why 2? This is 2 less than whatever is the degree of this polynomial here. No? Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So to have your Px and Qx of the same degree, your divisor should be a constant. It should not have any variable. So you can take any example. Whatever polynomial you want, you can take an example and it will work out that way. So let me give you something, for example. Let's say I tell you your Px is 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. And I'm telling you that the Gx should be a constant polynomial. It should not have any variable. Then let's keep the Gx to be just 3. Now if you do the division, what will happen? What will be the quotient? See, 3 into what will make it 3x squared?
X square.
X square, right? So this will become 3x squared minus, it will become 0. Then 2x plus 1. 3 into what will make it 2x? It will be 2 by 3x, right? So you don't need to worry about the remaining terms. Just think that the degree of this polynomial became 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Degree of this is also 2, degree of this is also 2. That is what you were interested in, okay? So you can pick any polynomial and keep the Gx to be constant and it will become, the degree will become same. Same way, think about the other 2 cases also. How is it possible that the quotient's degree and remainder's degree will be same? Degree of the quotient and remainder to be same. What has to happen? So I leave you for these 2 questions. I leave you to think about it. Okay, I'll solve it anyway on Monday. You have to think of some examples. Okay. Fine. So that's it for the maths class. Let's stop here.